Plasma cutters have revolutionized the way metal is cut, providing a cleaner, faster, and more efficient method than traditional cutting tools. For those seeking heavy-duty performance without exceeding a budget of $600, there are numerous options available that delivers excellent cutting capabilities for various metal types and thicknesses. Whether you're a professional welder, fabricator, or DIY enthusiast, investing in a reliable plasma cutter is essential for achieving precise cuts on steel, aluminum, and other metals. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best heavy-duty plasma cutter, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best heavy-duty plasma cutter from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So, let's go to over top 5 product reviews. Number 1. Lotos LTP 5 Suon 60 amp Plasma Cutter. The Lotos LTP 5 Hours OD is a powerful plasma cutter that offers versatility with its dual voltage capability, allowing you to use it in various settings. With a maximum cutting thickness of 0.5 inches, it's suitable for cutting through steel and other metals with ease. The Pilot Arc technology ensures smooth operation and reduces the risk of sticking to the metal, providing cleaner cuts. Weighing only 22 pounds, this cutter is easily portable, making it ideal for job sites and home workshops. The package includes all essential accessories, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. Number 2. Amico 50 amp Plasma Cutter. The Amico 50 amp plasma cutter combines power and versatility, making it suitable for various welding applications. With its dual voltage capability, it can be used with both 110 volts and 220 volts outlets, providing flexibility for different environments. The IGBT inverter technology ensures a stable and efficient cutting arc, while the maximum cutting thickness of 0.5 inches allows it to handle thick metals. Its lightweight design makes it easy to transport, making it a perfect choice for both home workshops and job sites. Overall, the Amico Plasma Cutter delivers excellent performance at an affordable price. Number 3. Hobart 500564 AirForce 12 CI Plasma Cutter. The Hobart 500564 AirForce 12 CI is a compact plasma cutter designed for easy use, making it perfect for beginners. With a 12 amp output, it is capable of cutting materials up to 0.125 inches thick. The built-in air compressor eliminates the need for external air sources, enhancing portability and convenience. Weighing only 25 pounds, it is easy to transport to job sites or stores when not in use. The user-friendly design makes it a practical choice for hobbyists and professionals alike, providing reliable cutting performance in a compact package. Number 4. PrimeWeld CUT 660 A Plasma Cutter. The PrimeWeld Cut 60 is a robust plasma cutter, offering a maximum output of 60 amps, making it suitable for cutting thicker materials up to 0.625 inches. Its dual voltage capability allows for flexibility in different working environments. The IGBT inverter technology ensures stable and efficient operation, providing smooth cuts with minimal slag. The lightweight design makes it easy to transport, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With its powerful performance and affordable price, the PrimeWeld Cut 60 is a top choice for those seeking a reliable plasma cutter. Number 5. Hypertherm Powermax30 XP. This is another great hypertherm plasma cutter, ideal for light and heavy industrial use. The Powermax30 XP is a highly portable plasma cutting system that can handle a wide range of applications. A unique 2-in-1 design provides high power capability for thick metal cutting, as well as the fine cut consumables for detailed, thin metal cutting. The versatile 30-amp system uses air or nitrogen to cut electrically conductive metals such as mild steel, stainless steel, or aluminum. The Powermax30 XP is a dual-voltage plasma cutter that is able to automatically adapt to 110 volts minus 240 volts input power. It comes with all other components such as hard carry case, eye shields, gloves, shoulder strap, standard consumables, and fine cut consumables. So you can start the cutting immediately. The Powermax30 XP plasma cutter is straightforward to use. Its Duramax's torch provides a sure, comfortable grip made from heat and impact-resistant material. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.